Hi friends, this is Asgaruddin Ahmed, industry expert from 9SEM. Today I will discuss about HVAC system, which is part of mechanical engineering. The full form of HVAC system: heating, ventilation and air conditioning system. Introduction. It is a process to make a comfort condition by controlling temperature and humidity. Air conditioning system is working the basis of reverse Carnot cycle or vapor compression cycle. The capacity of refrigeration system is expressed by TR, that is tonnage of refrigeration. The fluid used in refrigeration cycle is called refrigerant. Name of common use refrigerant which is available in our market are R22, R410A, R134A, etc. Basically, R410A is used for DX and VRF system. R134A generally used for chiller purpose as it is more costly. Now, what is refrigeration process? Refrigeration or cooling process is the removal of unwanted heat from a selected object, substance or space and its transfer to another object, substance or space. Removal of heat lowers the temperature and may be accompanied by use of ice, snow, chilled water or mechanical refrigeration. Here you can see the vapor compression refrigeration cycle, where two adiabatic and two isothermal process is involved in this cycle. The main equipment of refrigerant cycle: number 1, compressor; number 2, condenser; number 3, expansion valve; and number 4, evaporator. The basic working diagram of refrigeration process. Here you can see the pictorial diagram of refrigeration process. First, the gaseous refrigerant will go to the compressor. Then the refrigerant will be compressed and its temperature and pressure will increase. After that, the refrigerant will go to the condenser coil, where heat will transfer from refrigerant to the air. Here, the refrigerant will change the state from gas to high pressure liquid. After that, it will go to the expansion valve, where pressure will decrease suddenly. At this stage, refrigerant will become very cold, which will go the evaporator coil. At last, the evaporator coil absorbs heat from the air of conditioning space. Here you can see different type of compressor. Number 1, centrifugal type compressor. Number 2, reciprocating type compressor. Number 3, rotary vane compressor. Number 4, scroll compressor. Number 5, screw compressor. Basically, Centrifugal compressor is used for big amount of refrigerant like chiller. Scroll compressor is used for small amount of refrigerant like DX VRF system. Now the comfort requirement for design purpose of HVAC system. The basic parameter: temperature and humidity as per industry standard, air movement, requirement of fresh air, clean air, noise level as per industry standard, and last, lighting fixture, furniture and workspace. HVAC system is designed based on ASHRAE, that is American Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers. The design comfort condition as per ASHRAE standard is 23 plus minus 2 degrees Celsius and 55% relative humidity. The process for HVAC system designing: first, calculation of cooling and heating load for specified space. Then selection of unit capacity. Then type of system selection. After that, type of unit selection. And then preparation of layout, that is piping, ducting, unit selection, unit location, drain route, etc. And last, preparation of BOQ, that is bill of quantity for tender purpose. Thank you for watching.